everybody. I wanted to show you what just happened with the Decoart clear pouring top coat. Now this painting, I coated it the other day, and when I pulled, hang on. Okay, so I taped the back, and when I pulled the tape off, this happened. Sorry, my fingernails are gross. And then, so just a second ago, I was looking at another side and started to pull. And my entire painting, due to the Decoart, well, I can't say for sure, but I've never had this happen before, ever. And that is bare canvas. So there's not even any paint on there. I don't really know what happened. But the Decoart turns it kind of rubbery. So my guess is that it completely adhered to the paint. You can kind of see, let's see. So you can see where the paint and then the top, and then the top coat. So for now, this is just maybe a heads up on this product. I'm going to post this, and then I will also be sending it to the company. I did another one, and so far that one, this hasn't happened to. But anywho, just wanted to update you on that. Bye.